So we've basically understood that this is the card number, that is the longest number on your card in front of your card where you may have your name. Okay, so then at times they may ask, let me see if at all we happen to continue forward, or in front when we happen to say pay, are they basically going to be showing us where they require a name? Most of the times when you put in using a card, you have another option that asks for a name, okay, where you have to submit your card number, these expiry dates, this number, and then your name may be the card name in which the account is. So if I'm Nyenje Isaac, so I have to put in my name. So let us see if they can require that. So basically they have not requested for it. Maybe here they made some changes. Are you seeing that? No thanks. So if we happen to go back to our email, because they told us that we shall receive an email, so we go back to our email. So we click Gmail. Oh, it is already here. So we have an email, an inbox. So registration code. So they are saying, hey, thanks for registering. Now you can access a website area, require an account. So this was like after confirming, after clicking on this link for verification, after completing our verification, they sent us this email. But for this one, remember, we've like not complete registration complete. So we don't have any other email so far that we've been sent. So it means that because we've checked our spam and our inbox, so it basically means that our message, the message of buying didn't go through. So it means buying didn't happen. Why? Because the information we submitted in was wrong. Okay, note that it was wrong, we filled in a wrong card, but the card was already expired, so purchases couldn't happen. Maybe we've received that via our card email, because this isn't the email of the card, so the transaction didn't happen. So if I'm to use PayPal directly, so I just click on PayPal. So this pops up and it is like searching. It has opened up another browser, so whereby if it happens to give me an option where I have to put in my PayPal account. Are you seeing that? So the speed at which it does basically depends on your server. Remember, I've told you that as per now I'm doing this tutorial, my internet is a little bit slow because it is raining heavily. I'm in the motherland, okay, that is Uganda. So so you put in your PayPal email. So I've put in my PayPal email. It is Nyenje Isaac. No, sorry about that, but that is an example. So if Nyenje Isaac 2@gmail is my PayPal account, so it means that is what I have to put in, my PayPal email. So it means that is the account I have to put in. So if you don't have any PayPal account, it means that they are giving you these options to form one. They have picked out the other information that we submitted up above, where we submitted our first name, the second name. So they're already trying to create for us a PayPal, whereby this PayPal that we are trying to create does not receive money, but it buys. Okay, so that is what you have to understand. So it is the same thing that we did the other side using a card. So it means we have to submit our card, as you see here. So this is what I was telling you. We are requested to submit the names on the card, okay, because here we put the card number, we put the month and the expiry date, then we put the CRC number that is at the back of the card. Then these others were just copied directly from what we submitted in at first. when they asked us our email and stuff, then we, after giving them that information, we agree, then we create. Are you saying they are asking for the date of birth, then create a password, meaning that we are creating a PayPal account as we are paying. So we don't want that because we have already created one. If you don't have any, you can create it. If you don't want it, there's this option of using the debit card, the option we used first. Then if at all you don't want to use that, then we have the direct bank transfer. So make your payment directly into our bank. Please use your order ID as the payment reference. Your order will not be shipped until the funds have cleared in our account. So place order. So it is rather better to always use the debit card, because remember, I will see if at all I can teach you as Ugandans to form a Visa card on your Airtel or MTN line. So are you seeing this? So after that, we come here. I've used the bank account, so billing address. So I clicked the code where we have to use direct bank transfer. So we have this option of direct bank transfer. Your data will be used to, are you seeing that? So we have to just fill in this information, phone number, that is my email. So it is having some, so it is loading up, and my email, my account is a little bit slow. My internet is a little bit slow. Let us wait and see if it loads up, because my internet is a little bit slow. So that is the procedure. So the moment everything is clear, these people are basically going to give you a code that you are going to use to like go through. But remember, we have our code that we can use. Remember where we got the code from? We just went to the blog here below. Then in our previous video, we went to the blog and clicked there. Then we looked for, because remember this is for a limited time, we looked for blog where we have our blog. Then we looked for a specific blog post where they are just announcing for the promotion of this new platform, that is MUCIAN Scripts launches a site for advertising our businesses all over the world. So we click that. So the moment we click that, as it is loading up, my internet is a little bit slow. So as it is loading up, let me click it again. So as it is loading up, so the moment we click this and it loads up, we get different offers that we happen to get. So it is loading up. So we are going to get different codes that enable us get different discounts. We can get a 75% discount, a 10% discount, 50% discount. And remember where we go to get the packages. Remember I told you we have listing packages here. Yes, we have listing packages. These are the different listing packages. I went through them in the previous video, and we said that the featured status, when you buy this package where you post 5 listings for a month as featured products, to appear at the top of all other products at just $10. So if at all I want this package, remember what I did. I just pressed this to buy that package. Okay, so I just pressed that. Then this option did what? Popped up. Okay, where here I can put, these are adverts, so don't mind this. These are basically adverts. Where I clicked here, this is where I'm going to submit my code. So I go back to this and refresh this blog. So MUCIAN Scripts launches a site for advertising our businesses all over the world. So this is the blog, as you see the word there. So I have these different discount codes. So let us first try with this 50% discount. So remember, let us remove this. So remember what we did. We clicked here. So here is where we put our coupon code, paste, then apply coupon. So before we apply, it is $10. So as it is loading, you are going to see it reduce to 5 because we've put in 50% discount code. So the coupon code is loading. So sorry for the delay, So the coupon code already applied. So are you seeing? Okay. Are you seeing this? So it is even basically giving you, no, it isn't giving me that. So it has not given me that discount. Let me see. Featured listing 1. So it isn't giving me that discount on this package. So I go back. Let me choose another coupon code here, and we see maybe for a 75%. Click this. Okay. Successfully. Code applied. So are you seeing this? So let me first remove this. So this one has given me a 100% discount on this offer, so meaning that I totally have nothing to pay. So there is also this other coupon code that is basically to give you 100%. So you can use any of these coupon codes, which one does for you on a given what package. So remember, I selected a featured package where I want my product to appear at the top of all other products. So the moment you apply that coupon code and you don't have to pay anything, it means that the payment methods disappear. So now I can place my order. So before I press that order, I have to submit in information here. Maybe that is the company information. I'm Ugandan. It is already showed. So if it has given you wrong information, so you can apply your country, then apply all of these. Then after applying all of these, like the phone number, email address, then you can press your order. So are you seeing this? So I've bought my package that I basically want. As you see here, it is showing me that thank you, your order has been received. Order number, this is the number of my, like the order number, the date, my email, the total that I've paid. So I've paid 0, subtotal and discount, that is a 10%, like 100% discount. So then the information that I happen to fill in, then this is just an advert. Okay. So besides that, now I go back and press add a listing because I've like paid for the package that I want to like use. Now what information is needed? The category of what I'm posting, the gallery, like the image of what I'm posting, then the title, location of what I'm posting, rent. Okay, is it for rent? I think that. Then is it new? Okay, so the price I can just type in, then here buy, the number of what you want to buy, then here is it brand new or used, then we go back here, footage, Q footage. Are you seeing this? Okay, then besides that there is shipping. So if at all you don't ship, or if at all you ship, then you write a description, you agree to the terms and conditions, then you submit your listing. So we are going to be trying that on how to submit our listing and fill in the information that is basically needed, and we submit that listing and we look for that same listing. But before we do that, the first thing that we have to do, we go back because we've paid. Okay, though we've used a discount code, so we have to check our email and see what information have they sent us, because we already see a notification here. So what email have they sent us? So we have an email that has been sent here. Latest UG Music has sent us this email. Okay, so are you seeing this? They are telling us, just to let you know, we've received your order at this code and it is now being processed. Okay, so now we can post. Okay, featured listing, then one quantity, one price, that. So are you seeing that? So we've bought it one time. So this is the phone number of us who have bought, though these are like the phone numbers because I'm the creator. So I would expect to see your phone number here and your email. Okay, then we go back. Thank you. So are you saying we already thanking you, or they already thanking us? Okay, so besides that, we can go back here, and now we are going to be looking at how to submit our first listing, and it appears on the featured listings. So thanks for watching, and remember, MUCIAN Scripts, MUCIAN Scripts and MUCIAN Scripts Lifestyle, we do content marketing for artists, companies, soft individuals, and anyone who is a creative who may want to understand how to use internet or digital marketing, or a musician who would want to understand on how to earn from his content that he happens to create, his music, his photos, his like guidance as a content creator. So we manage artists. So if at all you need artist management, like, please contact us on these phone numbers that you happen to see here. Okay, so you can use this one via WhatsApp, or both of them via calling, or even visit our description below this video or below this blog and try to communicate to us and have your best, okay, at just a low price, so we can help you out, or even at times at free, okay, at no cost. So thanks for watching, and remember to continue to the next video, and you get to learn on how to like post your first listing on this platform. Okay, thanks for watching. I love you.